fellow makers, and welcome back to 3D printed soup. Can't breathe in that thing. Hello fellow makers, welcome back to 3D printed soup. That's right, it's Halloween month again, so time for some Halloween scary prints. And yes, I do enjoy Halloween very, very much. I enjoy dressing up, I enjoy pumpkins, and I enjoy eating my weight in candy. Or sweets, as we call them here in the UK. Enough of that frivolity. I found myself a lovely 3D printed file to start us off with on Thingiverse. This file is by this fantastic maker right here, and they've done a lovely job of making a print-in-place skull with a creepy brain inside. You can use it as a box, or you can use it as a skull box, or it's just a nice little piece of 3D printed design. So we're going to start off Halloween month with a scary, spooky skull brain box. Before we do that, however, thanks to everyone who's liked and subscribed. Loads more of you. If you haven't subscribed, now's the perfect time. Get your spooky cursor and drag it down to the spooky subscribe button and click your... Oh, shut up, Ben. Just drag it down, click subscribe and click the notification button. Bang! You're part of the 3D printed spooky community. Ooh, it's haunted and everything. No, it's not. Right, let's get on and print ourselves an awesome spooky brain box. Let's get on this. So yeah, this thing has turned out very, very nicely. It's a very, very cool piece of print-in-place design. I've done another video on print-in-place, link there somewhere. And it's just basically where you can print something straight off with no need to glue things together later. It all just goes together beautifully. Then I gave it a quick paint and it's come out very, very nice. I especially like the hooks either side that just automatically work, and the little switch at the back you open up and there you go, you got his spooky brain inside there. And yeah, it's nice and detailed, and if you don't want to put the brain there, you can stick some LEDs like I showed in the video and it all lights up very, very nicely. So yeah, thanks very much to the designers of this lovely piece of 3D printing goodness. And yeah, we've got 3 more wonderful spooky prints and then a wonderful 3D print I'm going to do on Halloween itself. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay happy, stay safe, stay spooky.